Okay, hello guys. I think you had a problem with your Java compiler when you click this video. So let me make it quick. First thing you need to do is you need to download Java JDK, Java Development Kit, not GRA. So in here I have installed the JDK, Java Development Kit, and another one is GRA, Java Runtime Environment. So before I use this one to run my game like Minecraft or run the Java code, but what you need is this one when you want to compile your program. So Java Development Kit. So GRA is only included in Java Development Kit, so you actually only need to install that one. But sometimes like the people that new in the Java, they only install GRA and they think, I already have the Java. So what you need to do is install that thing, and then if you still cannot run it, what you need to do is you open your PC, like about your PC in Windows 10, and then go to Advanced System Setting, go to Advanced, and then Environment Variable here, and then you need to go to the path. So you need to find the pathway. Here I put this one. This is the address of my uh, Java. So you can go to see. I mean like where directory that you install it, program file or program file 86, and go to the Java, go to the JDK, and then bin, and then here you just copy this one back to here, and then okay, this, let me delete this, then you make another one, paste, okay, and then what you need to do is you make this thing, you make the user variable for user pathway. So let me delete this. You just can make new and then use the same name like path, and then the variable value is the address, then click OK, 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 and then you can just put the cmd run as administrator, and here you can do the Java compiler. So that's mean your Java compiler will already it's already in your computer, and you can still use the Java. Okay, that's from me. Thank you.